Well, got ahead and put some new brakes on the bad boy. Looking pretty good. Also went ahead and did my, if y'all know anything about that old school 80s short circuit. We short circuit right now. It looking pretty good. I mean, you can't really tell, obviously, you know. But I got my bug eye type shit. Here we go. I'm gonna see if I turn it on for y'all real quick. Hang on. Let's see what we're looking like. It's just probably bright as hell. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Right. So yeah, I got a little something going on there. I needed some brighter lights, and my other one's looking real dim. I couldn't see nothing. Yeah, look at that, looking pretty. Pretty. Alright, yeah, we're getting ready. We on Thursday, you got another day and a half. Drift event coming. Holla at your boy, 2 4s or us. Peace.